Lesson 2. Sounds of vowels. Sound of A. Say aloud. At, at. Cat, rat, mat, hat, pat. An. Van, pan, ran, fan, man. A. Say, way, day, lay, gay. Add. Had, pad, sad, dad, lad. Ale. Fail, rail, mail, sail, nail. All. Fall, mall, hall, tall, wall. Read. A cat, a mat, a fat cat. The cat is fat. The fat cat sat on a mat. A man, a car. The man is tall. The tall man has a car. Sound of E. Say aloud. N. Ten, den, hen, men, pen. Ed. Led, fed, wed, bed, red. Egg. Leg, egg, peg, keg, beg. Ea. P, C, lee, tea, flea. Ell. Bell, well, sell, yell, fell. Father, mother, sister, brother, water. Read. A bell, a well. The bell is yellow. The yellow bell is near the well. A hen, an egg. A red hen. The hen is red. The red hen has an egg. Sound of I. Say aloud. It. Hit, pit, bit, fit, lit. In. Bin, win, fin, tin, pin. Id. Bid, hid, tid, kid, lid. Ice. Spice, nice, rice, dice, mice. Ing. Sing, ding, wing, fing, king. Ish. Fish, dish, kiss, wish, finish. Read. The mice. The rice. The mice are small. The small mice bit rice. The fish. The fins. The fish is big. The big fish has fins. Sound of O. Say aloud. Ox, ox. Ox, box, fox, pox. Old, old. Gold, bold, told, hold. Ock, ock. Sock, mock, lock, cock. O-A-T. Oat, goat, boat, coat, float. O-O-N. Oon. Boon, soon, moon, room. O-O-K. Ook. Book, took, look, hook. Read. Pot is hot. Tea is in the pot. Do not touch the pot. The cot is big. A cat is on the cot. A dot is on the cat. That is a shop. It has many aeroplanes. It has many toys. Sound of U. Say aloud. U-P, up. Up, cup, pup, sup. U-M-P, ump. Jump, pump, dump, hump. U-C-K, uck. Duck, suck, buck, luck. U-B, ub. Cub, tub, hub, rub. U-N, un. Gun, fun, run, bun. Read. There is a mug in the tub. The tub is near the cub. The boy rubs the cub. Himani has a bun. Sam has a gun. They run for fun. There is a hut. It is made of mud. The pup is in the hut.